Samidoh nĩ atigĩte mafans ake na ciũria nyingĩ. Nĩ arakoretwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri cina kĩriga nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria. Na ndũmĩrĩri ya mbere nĩ aronekana gũkorwo akĩonania kĩeha gĩake, kũrĩa arauga atĩ rĩmwe nĩ akinyaga handũ akaigua ta angĩũra. He feels like going missing in action, like disappearing at times. And he shared this post saying, I feel like disappearing sometimes. This is a post he shared some nights ago. Then shortly afterwards, akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩngĩ ĩrĩa ĩronekana tarĩ mataro kũrĩ ke na mafans ake, akiuga mũndũ angĩkorwo ndaragũteithia, angĩkorwo gũtirĩ ũndũ mũrateithania na mũndũ fulani, kaba ũtiganĩte nake, you'd rather choose your peace because peace is of more importance. And the post read, if you gained nothing by dealing with someone, what can you lose by leaving them alone? Your peace is priceless. Na ndũmĩrĩri ĩyo ĩthiĩte kũhanana na ĩrĩa ya Kezia wa Kariuki, kũrĩa onake araugire kaba thayũ. Na Samidoh ndanatigĩra hau, he added a final post, now in the form of lyrics of a song by Busy Signal, Happiness by Busy Signal, where he was yet again insisting on peace. Kaba thayũ, he wrote grace over grudges. Kaba thayũ gũtinda ũkuruhanĩte na andũ. In all this post, you can tell Samidoh is sending out the message of peace to his fans. And even on his Facebook page, nĩ akoretwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri cia thayũ. For instance, this one here, he wrote, we need to thank God that there is such a thing as common grace. Were it not so, this world would be hell for sure. He's a God of so many chances. And another one that read, just let go and let God. You can't trust God and be worried at the same time. Blessed Sunday. And even one of his fans commended him, akimwĩra, amen, these days you are a good motivational speaker. Keep up the good job. Indeed, for sure, in all these posts, you can tell the keyword here is peace. Na nĩ arenda mũno thayũ. And do not forget, subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.